At 9:48 local time this morning, there was a collision between two ships, the Humber estuary in the North Sea. The 800 TEU container ship Solong, bound for Rotterdam, collided with the products tanker Stena Immaculate while that ship was at anchor. After the collision, both vessels caught on fire. After the incident, Humber Coast Guard made the following broadcast on Channel 16.
Solong has collided with tanker Stena Immaculate in the outer anchorage. Both vessels are abandoning. Vessels who have firefighting equipment or who can assist with search and rescue, contact Humber Coast Guard on Channel 16. Vessel Stena Immaculate is carrying Jet A1 fuel, which is on fire and in the water. Request vessels remain at a safe distance.
The Stena Immaculate was built in 2017 in China, though it does carry the U.S. flag. The Solong was built in 2005, is rated at 803 TEU, and is flagged in Portugal. The crews of both vessels abandoned ship. The UK Maritime and Coast Guard Agency is reporting that 36 crew members from both vessels have been rescued. Of the 14 crew members on the Solong, one remains missing and the search for them has been called off. The Solong is reportedly carrying 15 containers containing sodium cyanide. Sodium cyanide reacts with water to produce hydrogen cyanide, a toxic gas. Safe distance from a spill is about 1 kilometer. The Stena Immaculate was on time charter to the U.S. Navy's Military Sealift Command and was carrying a load of Jet A1 fuel for use by the U.S. military. It is reported that all members of the crew are safe and accounted for. If we take another look at the AIS tracks from MarineTraffic, you can see that the Solong just slams into the tanker, with no signs of it taking any evasive action or attempting to do anything to avoid the collision without even slowing down. The Stena Immaculate remained at anchor, and so that's responsible for some of the movement we see here. Witness reports indicate that the two ships were physically touching each other for up to 4.5 minutes before they separated after the collision. The Solong is believed to have been operating on autopilot based on its speed of 16 knots and a straight course consistent with the route that it's taken on this trip in the past. This likely suggests that watchstanders on the bridge were not paying attention because the Stena Immaculate should have clearly been visible on radar, AIS, and to the Mark I eyeball. It remains to be seen if the fires on board the two vessels can be extinguished and what steps can be taken to control pollution into the environment. This video is what we know at the end of day 1. We'll see what day 2 brings. To follow this and other stories, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be notified of future videos.